Hey everybody, Joshua here from Flight. Today I'm out in the driveway rotating the tires on a car, and I want to show you a real easy way to rotate the tires in your driveway with only the tools that came with your car. So let's get started. What you're going to need to get is a scissor jack and a spare tire out of your trunk. So we've got the scissor jack, the lug wrench, and then the spare tire. While the car's still on the ground, we're going to go ahead and loosen the lug nuts. Now using the scissor jack, I'm going to find the lift point. Now that wheel's up off the ground, we're going to take it completely off. Set this tire out of the way. Now put on your spare. The idea here being that you can use the spare as a jack stand. So after I get this all tightened up, I'll take this wheel over to the cross front and lift the front end of the car up with the same scissor jack. Take that tire off, put this tire on. Take that tire off, put that tire on. Work your way all around all four corners. When you get back to here, you'll take the spare tire off. Your wheels will be rotated. That'll be a good time to check the tire pressure in your spare tire. Put it back in your trunk, and you just rotated the tires in your driveway with no more tools than what came with your car. If you enjoyed this tip, check out ganderflight.co for more tips and tricks. Give me a thumbs up, share this video. Really appreciate it. Have a good afternoon and good luck rotating your tires.